Hello and welcome to a quick lesson on how to find the area of a parallelogram. What are the components that make up a parallelogram? All parallelograms are made up of 4 different sides. One of these 4 sides will be the base of the parallelogram. In addition to a base, all parallelograms have a height. As you can see, the height and the base of a parallelogram always form a 90-degree angle with each other. That's very important to remember. The base of a parallelogram doesn't have to be at the bottom of the shape, it just has to intersect with the shape's height at a 90-degree angle. Wherever the height of your parallelogram intersects with the side of the shape at a 90-degree angle, that side is your base. Now that we understand the components of a parallelogram, let's review the formula we need to use to find the area of the shape. The formula is as simple as base, or b, times height, or h. That's it. Now let's have a look at some examples. In this example, we have a height of 7 and a base of 14. Now let's plug numbers into our equation. Our base, b, is 14. Our height, h, is 7. Now all we have to do is multiply 14 times 7, which gives us 98. That's our area. Let's try another example. In this example, our height is 4, but how do we know which side of the parallelogram will be our base? Well, the height forms a 90-degree angle with only one side, so that side must be the base. Now that we know that our height is 4 and our base is 12, we plug those values into our equation. 12 times 4 is 48, and that's the area of our parallelogram. In this particular example, we have 3 measurements given to us. How can we decide which ones are the height and base of the parallelogram? We start by recognizing that the height of the parallelogram runs through the shape and isn't one of its sides. That must mean that it's the measurement of 7. Now to identify which of the remaining numbers is the base, we just have to find the 90-degree angle the height makes and determine which side it's intersecting. Since that side has a length of 15, we can safely say that the base of the parallelogram is 15. Now we can take these numbers and plug them into our regular formula of base times height equals area. Our base is 15 and our height is 7. Once we multiply those 2 numbers together, we get our final area of 105. That's all. I hope this quick lesson helped you.